So how to transfer contact iPhone to your Android phone by using USB. First of all, you have to enter your USB to your iPhone or go to your contact. Then you can see this kind of interface. Then press on list and you have to press and hold. Then press on export. Now press on done. Now save to file and browse. Then you have to enter your pen drive. So once you enter pen drive, then you can see is your option is available. Now where you want to save, for example, there I am saving as press on 1 and press on save. Now first part is done. Now remove your pen drive and enter it to your Android device and find out the file option. File, this is the file, and once you insert, then you can see my pen drive is showing here. Now find the all contact option, this one, and simply press on contact and press on contact, just on, and press on import and don't allow. Now if you go back to your contact, then you can see all of your contact available here. So that's it. This is how you can easily transfer. Hope video helpful. Don't forget to thumbs up and do subscribe. Have a good day.